So hi guys, welcome back to my channel and my another video. In this video we are going to unbox Tygot mini wireless keyboard and mouse that is with touchpad and backlight. So here's the product, we are going to unbox it. So guys, this is basically a mini keyboard. So here you can see I have unboxed the product. You can see the branding Tygot. And guys, the price of this product is $5.99. That is on Amazon, and I will give you the best buy link in the description box. So guys, here you can see the product, and you can see here's a guide on a manual, you can say, and here's a battery. So we are gonna put the battery first, and you can see there's a small USB type wireless thing that we have to put in the computer or in the laptop. And guys, we can use this product in our phones also, uh, through OTG, and we can use it in smart TVs, Android TVs, and Xbox, and all the like gaming products also, by connecting that wireless USB thing. And so we are gonna connect it to our laptop. So let me just connect it to the laptop. And guys, we can use the mouse also. So let me connect it, and yes guys, it is connected, and you can see in the bottom right corner it is showing that it is connecting. So I guess it have connected, and guys, you can see the mouse is moving, and I'm using the mouse through this. You can see, let me open the Chrome, I guess. Yes guys, you can see the mouse is very well moving, and the keyboard is also very well working. So let me just change the lights and show you. So guys, basically the keyboard is having RGB lights, which is red, green and blue lights. So I hope you like the product, and if you like the product, so do like the video and subscribe my channel for more unboxing and tech videos. Thank you guys for watching this video.